Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. Introducing my name Eka Pranata Putra. I will explain the country I want to visit. Namely is Qatar. Qatar is located in the Arabian Peninsula, West Asia, and is famous for its luxurious and magnificent cities
Because the economy there is really developed.
No wonder Qatar was chosen to host the 2022 World Cup and 2023 Asia Cup. Qatar is hosting the World Cup at Al Bayt Stadium to represent Al Khor. The stadium, which symbolizes the home of the nomadic Qatari people, has a capacity of around 68,000. The stadium was built for the 2022 World Cup. The distance of Al Bayt Stadium from the center of Doha is quick park, about 80 kilometers. There are so many things to discover in Qatar, from museum, architecture, food, and hidden historical sites. One to them is the Museum of Islamic Art. The Museum of Islamic Art is an architectural and cultural masterpiece that showcases the beauty and richness of Islamic art. Located at the end of the 7-kilometer coordinates in Doha City, Qatar, the museum is a true testament to the fusion of traditional and modernity.
Besides museum, Qatar also has many historical sites. There are Al Zabura Fort, Al Khor Island, and Museum Nasional Qatar.
Early, we know about the historical place in Qatar, and now we will move to the holy place of Muslim. As a country with a majority Muslim population, Qatar cannot be separated from Muslim place of worship. One of the famous mosques in Qatar is Imam Muhammad bin Abdul Wahab Mosque.
Imam Muhammad bin Abdul Wahab Mosque is a mosque that is famous for its architectural beauty. Not separate from the historical of this mosque, the name Imam Muhammad bin Abdul Wahab refers to an Islamic figure born in Najd, which now is Saudi Arabia, who lived in the 18th century AD.
Qatar is known as a country that has beautiful buildings, one of which is the airport. The airport was named Hamad International Airport.
Hamad International Airport is the main airport for Doha, the capital city of Qatar. The airport is the base of operation for the national airline Qatar Airways. Hamad International Airport is located about 3.37 km from the city center.
We've been to the historical place in Qatar. Now we're going to the culinary place. In Qatar there is culinary that I really want to try. That is matchbox.
Other than that, there are many more food specialties of Qatar, such as Salona, Madruba, Hibalalet, tea, Lukaimat, Hares, Chapati, and many more. That's all from the explanation about the country I want to visit. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.